Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1980 Pontiac Trans Am Pace Car. This Pontiac Trans Am Pace Car is finished in cameo white over hobnail cloth and doeskin vinyl. It's one of just 5,700 Indianapolis Pace Car replicas produced by Pontiac, and it has a 4.9 liter turbocharged engine. This is a rare turbo Trans Am Indianapolis Pace Car loaded with options. All numbers matching 4.9 liter turbo V8, automatic transmission, air conditioning, power windows, tilt column, cruise control, and more. It has a professional exterior repaint with new graphics installed, low ownership history with great survivor characteristics, and a factory appointed all options to include the WS6 Performance Package with 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, removable roof hatch, and power windows. Pontiac had an excellent run with the basic design of the second generation Trans Am that started in 1970, and by the mid-1970s, the race for manufacturers to harness horsepower from new technology was well underway. Luckily for the automotive enthusiast, Pontiac decided to go all in with turbocharging on a V8 platform. While Ford was using a 4-cylinder and Buick a 6-cylinder, the Turbo Trans Am offered a glimpse into the future of performance with technology that seemed so new then, now commonplace in many of our everyday drivers. The horsepower ratings of the 4.9 liter turbo engines were rated at 210 horsepower and 345 pound-foot of torque at just 2,000 RPMs. This wasn't much lower than the famous 6.6 liter big blocks from the late 1970s and would remain the highest horsepower rating for a Trans Am until the debut of the turned-port engines in 1985. Had it not been for the inferior pump gasoline and an ECU controlled to make up for common pre-detonation, these engines really had potential for far greater horsepower. Trans Ams have been steadily increasing in price over the last several years and show no signs of slowing down. If you have ever wanted a beautiful example of one of America's most iconic muscle cars, do not hesitate. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.